Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can change light and dark modes on this LENOVO Legion GO S. So to start, you will need to obviously switch to the desktop environment, which you can do by either or through either the device's touchscreen, so tap on this button here, or you can use the dedicated hardware button that you'll find to your top left. Now open Power Options, select Switch to Desktop, and allow a few seconds for this process to be executed. Or for the switch to be executed, rather. Now launch the system settings, either through the startup or the dedicated system settings shortcut that I have. Here, scroll down and look for the Appearance and Style category. Now open Colors and Themes. Next, go into Colors. And here you can, switch between, as you can see, all schemes, light schemes, and dark schemes. So, select whatever light/dark mode scheme you prefer. Then press Apply. And that's it. So, should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching, and bye-bye.